Hey, John from B2Web here. In this brief video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to simply create drop-down menus in a WordPress website using the WordPress custom menus. And I'm also going to show you a really neat trick that you can use also for making great drop-down menus. So here we are. We're in our dashboard, and I'm on the Genesis framework with the optimal child theme, but you can do this with any theme. All right, I got to choose one theme to do this tutorial with, and this is what's on the site. So what you do is you go into custom menus, and this is an option that's available on all themes these days. It's a WordPress feature. So right now I have two menus created. I have my sidebar menu, which I use in the sidebar, and I have a top navigation menu, which I use. I just call it top nav because that's at the top. And I've got a home and a contact, and here's that sidebar menu that I've set up. So what we want to do is we're going to work with this top nav, and we're going to create a drop-down menu. So I'm in the top nav menu. Now this is your theme location, and this is where you're going to specify which menu you're going to use for your particular menu. Now your theme may only have one menu option, some have two. This one has two. It doesn't matter. Just if you have one, just here's where you select the menu that you'd like to appear wherever the menu is going to show up in the theme, and generally it's across the top somewhere. It might be at the very top, it might be here, it might be lower down, but that's your horizontal menu option. Alright, so we're going to create another a full drop down menu here, and we're going to do that by adding pages. I'm going to add 4 pages. Alright, so right now the way it's going to show up is I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options along the top. And the trouble with these 6 is, take a look, these are really long labels, so it's going to really bunch up. It's probably going to scroll over into another menu bar, and it's not going to look good. So I'm going to change these labels, and you just do it like this. You don't even have to save anything. You just retype in the label and you're done. Just like that. This is a real estate website that I've created. It's an actual real website. So now we've shortened our labels. Now they don't show up until you save the menu. And again, as it shows up, we'll have 6 labels across the top, just like this. You see that? Nothing's dropping down. What we want is a drop down. So to do that is simple. We just indent, indent, and indent. And that's it. So now they drop down under agents. You can see that there. And there they are. And we can indent further. We go again like that, and now we have an indent underneath the South Surrey. I'm going to save that, refresh, and there we go. Very simple. Now suppose you want to create a drop-down menu, but we don't want to be able to click the actual word. Say, let's say agents. We just want to be able to have a bunch of options under agents, but not actually click agents. This is how you would do that. We will create a custom link. Now this is I use this all the time, this custom link. You can add blog posts, you can add different pages, you can mix and match and create whatever menu you like just by putting in a custom link. Now if you don't want it to click through it, you just go like that, and we'll call this top option. We'll add it to the menu. We just move it up there. We'll slide our agents in there, and that's it. Now we have 2 indents. Now every theme's different with how many they allow you to do, so I'm not even sure I'm going to be allowed to have 2 sub nav bars like that, so we'll see what it is. Really the point of this is I'm on this top option and I'm clicking it and it's not going anywhere. It's just basically triggering a drop down. So I have there, there, and there. So I've gone 3 deep like that. So that's pretty cool. Not everything will go that deep. You'll just have to, see what you can do with your particular theme. There we go. And if you want to change your indent, like move it around, it's a little bit sticky. It can be a little bit frustrating. There we go. There we go. And always save it again. So again, you can add, if I had blog categories, I could add categories here. I could add individual blog posts, different pages, mix and match. And that's how you create different types of drop-down menus for really any WordPress theme that integrates with the WordPress custom menus.